Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the app management. Now we have to enter the app list and as you can see here we've got 3 dots icon, so let's enter. Here we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and your device will inform you what actually it will reset. So it will reset all preferences for disabled apps and the notifications, the default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.